Ciao, I'm Enzo.
I'm Celia.
This is a Piazza Talk, our channel about our life in Lucca
And in the Tuscan Hills.
Please hit the subscribe button. Grazie.
Today we're in Viareggio, one of my happy places, particularly in winter. And on the beach there are just these gigantic bronzes by Igor Mitoraj, and what a setting for them. And they are inspired by Greek mythology, by the story of Daedalus and Icarus.
Daedalus was a Greek architect from Athens who was hired or forced by the king of Crete to imprison the Minotaur, this half animal, half human being, in a place called the Labyrinth. It was a big maze, and then the king realized that Daedalus knew the secret of the labyrinth, so he decided that he would imprison Daedalus as well. So he put Daedalus and Icarus in a building, and the only thing they could see was the sky. So Daedalus wanted to escape and start collecting feathers from the birds and created two sets of wings for himself and his son Icarus. So he used feathers and wax. So when time came to fly away, he warned his son, said, "Don't fly too high because it's dangerous." But Icarus, when he was very high, taken by the beauty of flying, forgot about his father's warning, and then the wax melted and he fell into the sea and died.
And on one of the bronzes you can see the damaged wings, but it's also a warning that if you're over ambitious you can get burnt. It's down to earth.
So keep quiet and know your place in life.
Plod along.
Today we got to make pasta con salsicce, pasta with sausages. It is something that I've been eating for a long time, and I think it is one of the most delicious things that I know. It is quite easy to make, it won't take very long, and you can make your beautiful bella figura if you do it for your friends or relatives. What we need is, first of all, we need good sausages. So, if you're not in Italy, try to get Italian sausages there. These are very nice. These are Tuscan sausages, what we got now. Then we need good pasta, and I chose pasta di Grana. We got big shells. Then we need ricotta. We need good passata, basil leaves, if you can find them. We also need an onion and parmigiano. And above everything we need olive oil. So,
And the lovely container that Roberto.
Yes,
If you look at a video, you'll
yes, I can find out about it.
how they're made
Yeah.
in our village.
Pepper, brown pepper, black pepper, and sea salt. These are the ingredients we need, and we can get started. And the sausages, we want to remove the casing. They look like meatballs. While we make the sauce with the sausages, I put some water on the stove to boil. First thing, we put a little bit of olive oil. In this case, not too much, because we got the sausages, they got their fat. So I just want to put some olive oil to brown the onions. and there's plenty here. Then I can add the onions. And the sausages. Okay, now the sausages are brown, so I'm going to add some pepper, ground pepper. And now we'll do the passata. And I got the passata rustica, which is a bit thicker than normally normal passata, and it's great for this recipe. And I'm not going to waste all this tomato here, so I put some water there, rinse it, and it's going to be in the sauce. Okay, and now it's going to cook for about 20 minutes more or less. And now I'm going to put a lid on the top, leaving the spoon on the side so the steam can escape while you keep the heat. And I make sure that it doesn't stick, so in case it gets too dry, I'm going to add a little bit of water. Now it's the time to put the pasta in. I have a saucepan full of salted water. Conchiglioni. For the full packet. This is great pasta. It's 16 minutes cooking time. Now the sauce is nearly ready. I want to season it. Salt, ground pepper. As the final touch, we need basil leaves. So you can get leaves and you tear them with your hands. The best way to do it. Okay, well, the sauce is literally ready. Just now check the pasta. It's a bit hot. Hot. Not yet ready. Now the pasta is ready, the sauce is ready, and we can blend the pasta with our system. And now we mix everything here. Beautiful.
More importantly, it smells wonderful.
Yeah, and also that tastes wonderful. And now the final touch is the ricotta. Look. And it's actually ready to serve. And parmesan on top.
Big shells are difficult to eat in a delicate way. Well, otherwise I can't cut the shell. Yeah. So. Who ate it more delicately?
No, I didn't. Delicious.
It is.
Thank you for watching, and a super thank you to our subscribers. If you have not subscribed yet, please press the button. It's a great way to support our channel and it's free.